Hi everybody, this is Vijay More, Principal Software Engineer, IFM. Thanks to the Salesforce testing guy, asked me to share a tip. And on this new year of, on this occasion of Happy New Year, I wish you Happy New Year. And this is my tip for you: learn touch typing. In this data explosion coming from the hell lot of communication we do in meetings, in conversation chats, uh, attending conferences, discussions, you may feel the information is deep inside the haystack like a needle. So to reach those needles, you have to sort out through that haystack, which can be daunting. So if you can manage this through tools, the best skill I would say is not tools, but the skill is touch typing. Once you are enabled with touch typing, you can use tools which quickly help you to take notes which are important for you. And from those notes, you can reach those important needles in the haystack. And it can be a barrier for you to use touch typing when it slows down your speed. But believe me, if you persevere for 1 to 3 months, your speed comes back and it just goes on increasing from there on, and you never look back. It gives you the free flowing smoothness to talk with the machine, and with that enabled, you are empowered to take notes as you talk, as you hear, and that will be a game changer for you. It has changed my life, and I'm sure it will for you. Just for those 1 or 3 months, you have to persevere. Learn touch typing. Thank you.